Hey, y'all, look at this amazing sunset we got going on out here. It's really cool looking. Actually, I came out to my garage to do another install, and I just noticed that out the window. But what I wanted to show before I really get going in this thing, before I turn the lights on, is when you open the door of the Cybertruck, it projects some light on the ground like most cars do. They're little puddle lights that just show you what you're about to step into when you get out. And the factory ones, as you can see, it's just kind of a dim general glow. And the company Hansshow has sent me some custom puddle lights that have the Cybertruck logo on them. And they sent me that to install and show you guys what they look like. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope it's informative. I think it'll be a kind of a short video because it looks like a pretty quick uninstall, reinstall video. But we'll get into it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Check out this sunset one more time. Man, look at that. That is so cool. I don't know if the colors are coming through on video like they are in person, but wow. Beautiful. Still not the best lighting conditions in my garage, but just wanted to show at the bottom of the driver's side front door, these puddle lights are right under the door, just on the plastic piece, just before it meets up with the stainless part of the door. And basically just pop this off. There's little pressure clips on each side that pull out. And I'm going to show you all that. And then there's a wire that mates up from the Hansshow into the factory one. This is what the box looks like from Hansshow. It does come as a 4-pack. There's 2 lights per bag, and they just slip in. They've got a little wiring adapter that the factory plug will fit into. And like I said, there's two sets of 2 lights, one for each of the 4 doors. And so yeah, let's get to it. All right, so got your position right up under the light. What I'm going to do, I've just got a relatively small flathead screwdriver, and I'm just going to come in from one edge and just gently pry this down. It's just a friction fit up in there, and with this light on, I know it's hard, a little bit hard to see because of the glare, but maybe you can see that once you pull that out. You can see the little module. There's not a very long cord on that, but maybe you can see how that's in there. Just 2 little clips on each side that hold it into that little square hole. And use my phone's flashlight to get a better view of how to pop this clip out. I'm going to swing you around. See if I can show you this more up close. Your little tab right above where my fingernail is, right there on the end. And you'll have to push that down with your screwdriver to pop out the wire from there. There we go. Okay. So yeah, that was that little lever that I was looking at. And now with that off, you can see the mechanism a little bit better. The wire plugs in right there, and that just pops right off. And the replacement actually has a little bit of a lead wire on it. Instead of going straight into the body, it has this little coupler that the factory will plug in. It's even more obvious on the reinstall than it is on unplugging it, because there's only one way that this factory cord can go in. It's a very obvious position there. And then when this comes on, I know it's hard, you can tell that it's projecting if I shine it at the camera, and there's no obvious orientation. Now you can see when I shine it on my hand, you can see the Cybertruck logo and the word Cybertruck, and so I'm gonna have to make sure I get that orientation correct, because it looks like it can pop in either direction into the door. So I'm gonna orient that to where it's turned the right direction, which yep, needs to be that way. So I'm just gonna tuck that wire back up in there, and we're gonna slide that straight in to that hole. It's like the factory one. It's gonna be a little easier to get one side in first, and then slide the other end up in there. There we go. So it just pops straight in there, just like the other one did. It doesn't appear as bright on camera because it is a more focused emblem. And I'll have to show you once I turn the light off what it looks like. Let me turn this around here so you can kind of see with the lights on. You can see the orientation. And I will flip the lights off and let you see what it looks like. Let's kill these lights. There we go. So that's what it projects on the ground, and it'll be like that for all four wheels. So that's pretty neat, pretty quick and easy. Factory one pops out very easily. I would say the most confusing part is just figuring out where that little tab is that you have to push down to pull the factory wiring out of the factory light. But yeah, that's pretty neat. So this video was made possible by the company Hansshow. If you go to their website, they sell all kinds of Tesla and other EV accessories. Anything from these Puddle lights that I just showed you how to install to the Molly panels for the bed. I made a video about those for a while back. I can put a link to jump to that video if you'd like to check that out. But they sell all kinds of different accessories. And if you go to their website and use my coupon code SpaceNerd, you can get a great discount on their website on all the products that they sell. They've been really quick as far as the ordering shipping process. So go check them out. Again, that's Hansshow. It's HANSSHOW.com. And remember to use SpaceNerd when you go to checkout to get a good discount on all of their accessories. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was informative. Quick one today, and see you in the next one. Later.